Welcome back, guys. What's up? I'm here with another bomb wig video. I'm here with Geniuswigs once more, and I must tell you guys, I've been loving the wigs from Geniuswigs. Now today I'm here to just come back and show you guys this wig that I showed you guys like 2 months ago. Okay, but this is a different one, and I'm gonna get into that in a bit. So as you can see, it's from Geniuswigs. So as I open the box, the first thing I see is the hair. Okay, but before we get into that, let's see what else they sent this time around. So I got a brush. I'm so like excited because this brush is so cute. Like, this is such a nice brush. It's gonna come in so handy. I like when I get these little stuff in my package, honestly. So you know what time we're living in right now, and masks are very essential. So they actually have masks. So I got it. They even have it labeled. They said, "Fight with COVID-19. We are here with you." www.geniuswigs. They have their site listed. So I think that was really cool that they incorporated some masks in the package. You know, you have to go grocery shopping, you want to throw a wig on, but you still need to be safe, so they sent you a mask or some masks. Then we got, and I think they have a special link, so I'm gonna link everything down below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Okay, all right, because I realize a lot of people have been contacting me as it relates to where to buy masks and stuff. So yeah. Then we got a wig cap. Wig caps are so essential to wig packages. Like, how can you send a wig package and not send a wig cap? Like, a wig cap is so necessary. So we have that. And then the final thing that's in the box is a extra piece of elastic band. So yeah, and that's it. That is all. So okay, so I don't know if you guys remember this hair. This hair here. It is legit like one of my favorites. It has become one of my favorite like curly wigs. So the only reason why I got a brand new one is because since the last time when I showed you guys, they actually improved the wig hairline and the bleach knots, and they actually pre-tint the lace a little bit more, and I love the deep parting. Remember in the last video I just pretty much showed you guys me taking it from this state and then getting it really curly. But today I actually want to show you guys that I'm gonna get it curly and then we're going to flat iron it. So we are gonna, because I didn't get a chance to come back, and I had told you guys that I would come back and show you guys this in its that it can revert. So we're gonna get it curly and then we're going to straighten it. So yeah, because it actually came back to me that, you know, I really never do that for you guys. So that is the vibe for today's video, and as you know, it's a bob cut, and it really is like natural hair vibe, like having me think, like, you know, it really is natural hair vibe. I'm actually so excited for this. This is how the wig is looking. I know, even though I've done it before, but I just feel like this wig is some type of sorcery, man. I know we always striving to get the most natural look out of a wig, but when I say this just natural, this is just natural. Who can tell us that I know you're natural hair this when you put it on? Nobody. And remember, we were about to slay when I brought this to you 2 months ago, talking about some vacation and stuff like that. But we still are gonna slay, because we're gonna have it, and we're gonna care, we're gonna keep it. So when the time comes, we can just show out. So alright, so this is a spray bottle with just some water, only water. This is how the hair looks. It looks like a really fresh blowout. I'm going to see, I haven't even put a brush in there as yet.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar I fall into.
Look at that, guys. I know we saw this portion already, right? We know what it is. We know what it do. This is so nice though. Honestly, I genuinely just love this wig. You know, I purposely, though I stayed away from reviewing a lot of curly wigs since recent times, just because like I do so much curly wigs and that's personally my favorite texture. So I said I needed to switch it up so I don't like get too repetitive for you guys. So just make it revert, and remember this will not go back straight at all without you actually. So let's go. Blow drying it. That's as far as I'm gonna go, and it's so nice, it's so full, it looks like a natural head of hair, and it did not take long to blow dry at all. And as you can see, I really saturated the hair. It really didn't take long. It took me like 20 minutes to blow dry. Know that I am giving you natural hair to the T. Okay, this is like natural hair blown out. It's more of like a kinky straight texture. It's not like bone straight at all, as you can see. It's like natural hair blown out kind of vibe, and it is so healthy looking. It looks like, it just looks so natural and it looks so healthy. You saw how I finessed these baby hairs. Yeah, I did baby hairs today. I just used the mousse. Yeah, this is the same wig, same curly wig. Like, it's like I look, it looks so natural. It looks like my hair, honestly. The other day, the last time when I gave you guys an update on my natural hair, I blow dried it. Last time I blow dried it, my hair I would say is like currently, my real hair is like currently like 2 inches shorter than this wig when it's blown out. So I'm not far from this length. I feel like this is my natural hair. It is so even and healthy looking. And I believe you could definitely go ahead and get it more bone straight. I really did not use any product at all in there to slick it down further or anything. I just used the wax at the top here, as you guys saw, so that it could be like laying really flat. As you can see, it is. And I love a good deep parting. Like, you see that is lit. So I really love a good deep parting. And yeah, as I say, if you want to get it more bone straight, I'd recommend just probably using like a heat protectant, you know, a bit of a serum or something. As you can see, I'm just rocking a very neutral beat with this, because that's the vibe I'm getting. Like, it's just like natural girl vibe today, you know? That's the vibes. And it also reminds me of my sister's hair. Like, if you guys know, you know. But yeah, I'm going to link this here once more down below in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself, and that's it. So just go and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, bye.